Hello guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to remove connected apps from your Google account using your iPhone. Let's get into it. Open the YouTube app and tap on your profile picture at the down right menu. Now tap on Google account. This will take you to your Google settings. Then swipe left across the top tabs until you see security. Scroll down to the section called third-party apps with account access. Tap on Manage Third-Party Access and you will see all the connected apps to your account. Tap on any app you want to remove, then hit Remove Access and confirm. And that's it. Your Google account is now more secure. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and see you to the next video.